2014 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.